Very warm welcome each and everyone. So finally, IIM Lucknow placement highlights are also out in the newspaper reports, and let's see what are the placement highlights of IIM Lucknow. And before I start, let me request you all for the subscription button as well as like this particular video and share with your friends as well. ठीक है, IIM लखनऊ की प्लेसमेंट हाइलाइट्स की अगर बात की जाए तो 100% प्लेसमेंट हो चुका है, जो स्पेशली फेस कहा जा रहा था पिछले 1-2 साल में IIMs फेस कर रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं इस साल भी IIM Lucknow is completely out of it. 570 students were actually placed along with 600 offers. Roles were offered across all the domains, including consulting, finance, Genman, product management, sales and marketing, operations, and e-commerce as well. So these are the highlights, and let's look into the figures as well. Highest domestic CTC was 75 lakh rupees per annum, whereas the international package was 65 lakh rupees per annum. Average CTC stood quite high, 32.3 lakh rupees per annum. It reflects how IIM Lucknow has been consistent in providing fantastic placements across, right? Now, let's look into a few other aspects as well. 180 plus recruiters, domestic as well as international, participated in the drive. And top recruiters were Accenture, Adobe, Amazon, BCG, McKinsey and Company, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, Deloitte, EY Parthan, Adani, PNG, and first-time recruiters were also good one. CRISIL actually came for the first time in IIM Lucknow. DBS Bank, GMR Group, Jeffries, PhonePe, Mankind Pharma are some of the very notable names that actually came on the campus for the first-time recruitment. All right, so these are the placement highlights, and one important thing, hybrid placement drive was conducted this time. So they tried hybrid placement drive, means on-time placement happened as well as virtual placements happened too from the institute. Students placed in top domains across top roles across the domains, and you can see the chairperson of Student Affairs and Placement Committee clearly said that our students continue to exceed industry expectations. Now 100% placements, and among India's top B schools, still ranking because of the placements. When you talk about future prospects, now seem to be quite better for the placements now, and it's been clearly told by the Professor Priyanka Sharma, who is actually chairperson of Student Affairs and Placements over there. This is a small video but useful one. I'll request you again to subscribe to Supergrads YouTube channel and visit our content on Telegram as well. Instagram पे भी काफी सारी अच्छी चीजें आ रही हैं. Just go and watch it over there. You can check our courses on toprankers.com. I'm Rahul Sir now signing off. We'll be coming up with something fruitful in days to come. Thank you. Thanks a lot.